Good afternoon, sir. We are researcher from the Bachelor of Physical Education program at Central Mindanao University. We are the BPED second year student. I'm especially section 2A, and we are the group 6. And we are conducting a study entitled The Influence of Sports Participation on the Academic Performance of Bachelor of Physical Education students at Central Mindanao University. So, ikaw among isa nga nakitag potential kay tungod nakita namo nga ikaw is gadula yun kag sports. Yes. The purpose of this interview is to gather insights about how your involvement in sports activities influences your academic performance. Your participation in this interview is voluntary. Voluntary, wala ka na magipugos.
Yes.
And you may refuse to answer any question or withdraw at any time without penalty.
Okay, I'm withdrawing.
Try lang. Go. Question na. Question. Okay, candidate number 1. Actually, we have two parts of the questionnaires. First part is preliminary question, and the second part is core questions. Total questions of 10 questions only. First question in the preliminary question. Can you tell us about yourself, such as your yearly level, age, and the sports you are involved in?
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So I am JV Janef Erasmo from Bachelor of Physical Education 4C, and I am 22 years old, and I like to play volleyball when I was in elementary and up until now in college.
Thank you so much. Next question is, what sports or extracurricular activities are you engaged in, and how long have you been participating in them at this university?
Okay, so I played volleyball since I was elementary, and I still playing until right now in my college life, because I believe that this sports is into myself, and I believe that this is the part of my life, playing a volleyball.
Yes. Next is, can you share your overall experience as a student athlete at Central Mindanao University?
Okay. Overall experience, kuan siya, very, with mixed emotions, jud siya, like, there are times that I like to give up my being a student athlete, because there are times that I've been yaw. Okay, way back. Nawala na ko.
Share your overall.
So, representing my school is very an honor and very tagay pa kung words speaker ang Japan. Ha? Ay, okay, yeah. Being a student athlete in this prestigious university is an honor and privilege, as I've being part of the volleyball team and to represent to the other schools the talents and the skills of SMU ones.
Pila yung ka makakuha ng Bisaya. So next question. How does participating in sports affect your academic responsibilities?
Okay. There are times that like I am ma-left out na ko ang akong studies, because I just focus on playing volleyball. Then I realized that is not one bitaw, like dili jud siya maayo, because it's affect my grades. Then being a student athlete, kanam mobile na ang reason why matanggal ka sa scholarship, because of you don't have any grades, because of focusing just playing lang jud.
Nice answer. Next is, have you ever failed to submit an academic requirement because of sports involvement? If yes, how did you cope with it? If no, what strategies do you use to manage both? Na ba kayo mapanahon nga kanang waka ka pa sa deadline, ana?
Yes, way back, and when mass has been happening and kuan katom and pagadian kanang kuan there's a lot of activities that I'm behind other than my classmates because I didn't pass on time. Then kuan what are my strategies to cope up those activities? So kuan I just kanang after kanang ay kuan kanang nagpasa lang ko kuan online nga activities nga gihatag sa akong instructors because kuan kanang thankful po ko kay because sila yung nag-adjust bitaw sa kuha because I just represent the school lagi to kuan to get a medal and to get an honor. Yes.
Next, have you ever fallen asleep in class due to exhaustion from training or competition? Please share your experience. Na may panahon nga nakatulog ka sa klase tungod sa kakapoy, gikan sa pag-training o sa pag-compete.
Yes, kuan wait, kasi ito siya. After to siya sa kuan like there's a liga that the SEM you will participate there just in Dangkagan. Then after ato is na may morning na class nga 7 a.m. then kuan very exhausted jud ang person ato then nakatulog job ko dayon kuan kanang akong teacher ato is kuan very conjud siya frustrated sa kuan because dili na ko ka-catch up sa akong kuan kanang mga activities because of playing too much of volleyball.
Please minimize your voice lang ha. Next. Do you find it difficult to prioritize studying when a competition is approaching?
Yes, because kuan gawnaw na ko kay unsa akong unahon like ang activities ba or ang kanang ang kuan ang dula because kuan like tinuod kanang may mas priority man jud ang studies but kuan man god if lag pug ka og kanang practice sa kuan during mga match-ups mas makuan mo jud imong performance jud mas lahi mo jud imong performance jud just like you have a full practice jud session together with your teammates then tsada inyong mga kanang yung match plays then tsada inyong mga placement sa bola then if kung dili wa practice og ayo ato nga time madawat ang among gameplay then kuan mo jud to siya nag-struggle jud ko kung akong unahon which is ang akong academics ba or ang akong kuan ang akong volleyball jud.
Yes. Next. How do you balance your time between sports and academic tasks?
For me is kuan before jud magduog practice kuan I just kuan kanang do my activity jud in order to kuan kanang mauman siya before ko mag-adto og kanang practice session because para after ana is because after mag-practice is very exhausted because ang kuan body then you have time to rest na lang then you cannot do activities so mas better nga kuan kanang ginauna na ko activities rather than ang aya din mag-training.
Next is, do you usually have enough time to prepare for exams? What strategies do you use to manage your review?
Kuan like if mag-training then kuan if na free time or like water break I used to kuan to read the modules that the teachers given to us during the classes para kuan para na lang koy enough knowledge about what we have been kuan i-exam bitaw o then napo siya ma-answer.
So do you usually have enough time to prepare for exams?
Yes.
Next is, have you ever failed a subject or naana ba kay subject nga nigamay imong grado tungod sa pag-focus more on nga sports? If yes, what action did you take afterward?
Yeah, kuan during to siya sa math then kanang kuan na nigamay ang akong grades because wala ko kapasa to a specific activity and then what the actions that I do is after ato I kanang during sa math I kanang chat my instructor what kanang what actions should I do in order to pass that kuan subject, because kung pababayaan siya, maybe matanggol ko sa akong scholarship ug sa kuan sa being an athlete.
So that's all our questions. And before we officially end this interview, would you like to add anything else or any questions to us?
Na.
Nana daw. So, okay.